Most full-sized keyboards feel like clunky office relics, but this heavy-duty beast might actually be the ultimate endgame for both gamers and professionals. It weighs over a kilogram and packs a battery larger than some tablets, promising a typing experience that sounds as good as it feels. The EPOMAKER TH108 is a massive 100% sized mechanical keyboard that refuses to compromise on performance or aesthetics. Right out of the box, the weight is the first thing anyone would notice. At over 1.2 kilograms, this thing is an absolute tank that stays planted on the desk, no matter how intense a gaming session gets. The blue and white colorway gives it a clean, contemporary look, while the double-shot PBT keycaps ensure those legends will never fade away, even after years of heavy use. But the real magic is hidden inside the chassis. EPOMAKER used a 5-layer gasket mount design that includes everything from IXB switch pads to bottom silicone. This creates a creamy, dampened sound profile that is incredibly satisfying. Specifically with the sea salt silent switches, the typing experience is whisper quiet, yet feels remarkably soft and flexible thanks to that complex internal cushioning. It is rare to find a full-sized board that prioritizes acoustics and finger comfort this much. On the technical side, the connectivity is top tier. It features a massive 8,000 mAh battery, which is practically unheard of in this category. You are looking at up to 160 hours of wire-free use, meaning those annoying mid-game recharges are a thing of the past. Whether using the 2.4 GHz wireless mode for that high-speed polling rate or switching between 5 different devices via Bluetooth and cable, the transition is seamless. It even includes a hot-swappable PCBA, so if those silent switches aren't the right fit, swapping them out for something thockier is a breeze. The RGB lighting is the cherry on top, offering a vibrant glow that makes navigating macros in the dark effortless. It is a rare combination of enthusiast-level sound and mainstream functionality. For anyone who needs a numpad, but craves that premium, custom-built feel, this keyboard is a spectacular heavy hitter that delivers on every single promise.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.